Okay, y'all, so we getting ready to make a tropical slushie. Remember slushies? I mean, they still have them, but I remember back in the day, we had 7-Elevens in Seattle where I'm from, and I would always go to 7-Eleven and get like a strawberry slushie, or they have blueberry slushies. So we're gonna do a tropical slushie, but this slushie, we're gonna spike it with rum. Now, you don't have to, you can take the same recipe and just make a slushie, you know, for your family, for yourself, and you don't have to spike it with rum, and it can be, you know, non-alcoholic slushie. But this one, we're gonna go ahead and spike it with rum. So real quick, so I have a blender, because I don't have a slushie machine, but I know there's like this big thing going on social media right now where you can buy these slushie machines and all that kind of stuff, but we just gonna do it with my blender. So I have some frozen fruit, and I have mango, strawberries, and pineapples, and then we have some fresh watermelon. So we'll go ahead and put the watermelon in here. Even down in Georgia where I'm at now, we have, I believe they have like slushies at the quick trips and the racetracks here. So yeah, but you can make them at home. We have fresh mint. We have some fresh lemon juice. Squeeze some of this lemon juice in here. I'll take this off right now. Do it like this. It was so good. And then I have some honey because for a little bit of a sweetener. But you know, sometimes this food don't taste like nothing, but we got that. And then you could stop here and you could go ahead and just slush it up. But we're gonna spike it with some Bacardi, with some rum. Put a little bit of rum in here. And now we're just gonna blend everything together. Slushy / smoothie, because it kind of gave me a little bit of a smoothie, but with some rum in it. So let's taste it. That's good as hell. That's good. It's giving you summer in a cup. It's good. That mint is really coming through, that freshness of that mint. But you got that sweetness from all those tropical fruits like the pineapple, the mango, the watermelon, strawberries. It's the perfect balance. And then you got a hint of the lemon, because you know that kind of brings out the brightness of the fruits, and then it's cold. You know what I'm saying? So this is like perfect on those hot summer days. You know what I'm saying? Just imagine when you was outside, you went to the corner store, you got your little slushie, or this is a good fruit smoothie. And like I said, this is good. This is spiked, but you can also make this without it being spiked, and it will get the job done. You know, it's healthy or whatever, but perfect smoothie / slushie drink. To get this recipe and more, go to divinecuisine.com. Love y'all.